follow-up from yesterday. It got a little wet and got a little dark. We got the motor out of the Denali. So it actually was a little harder than we planned because we took it out all in one piece. So here's what's left of the Denali. There's the 6-liter. For some reason it has a 4L60, but it has a rebuilt or service replacement transmission, which is kind of cool. And here's the Denali. That's going for scrap today. Blue truck is going for scrap today. Don't mind Jeff's redneck. Actually, I think that was my idea, but the redneck of the pulling the motor out. So we have one motor on the ground, which goes today. That's sold. And then we have the green stepchild up on the trailer. That is going for scrap weight today. So what today is going to happen is we're going to load this up full of junk, and we're going to go get this one crushed and get the 3 other crushed.
Amazon sent me a link this morning because I looked at the exhaust, the OBX exhaust. Like one of those reminders. $740 for a stainless steel OBX exhaust. So here we are at good old Kenny U-Pole. We're back.
So as you've seen, the Kia is now gone. We got to do a couple things to the Tahoe. So the AC unit has to come off for the two-wheel drive since we don't have AC. Someone took it off and I want AC. And Jeff is inside pulling out the center console.
And I have to take this cover off just to get that off.
And that's probably the last bit of here. Then we're going to get the doors on. We're going to take the one turn signal mirror off because it's good. The other one's broken. We're going to pop off the vent visors for our truck, and then we're going to move some stuff around so you guys can sit back and enjoy. So you'll see Jeff is cutting the front frame horns off because they're actually different between the two trucks. So I need this for the Denali bumper. There we go, Richard's in there like really low running. And this is how we're gonna pull this. Oh no!
Oh, you're good. It was just the strap.
Yeah, I was gonna say, keep going towards the left because the Yukon's trying to go right. They will pull it sideways.
I was wondering what was dragging. It's the drive shaft.
Keep going. We're gonna have to move the Mazda back a little bit.
Okay, you're good there.
Round two. Now that we got it ahead,
We got the truck on the other side of it. Now we're gonna go backwards.
maybe. Maybe.
I'm gonna pull it forward and back and then come into it.
Well, and let me change this strap to the other side because it's trying to pull it that way. At least it'll kind of try to pull that way. So this Denali is heavy. And there's no fucking weight. It's almost like I should have it turned around, but I don't want to drive it too much. It ain't gonna hurt. It's going to the goddamn junkyard today. Like, come on.
Does that mean we can tie it to a tree?
Hey? Go to your left to touch. Engine hoist. Okay, straight. Keep going. Keep going. To your right a bit. Okay, keep going. Keep going. A little bit more.
You want to do this? That is hilarious. Two down. So we're back on the iPhone life because GoPro died. Check out this beast. That's a Ford. It's a Ford. That's awesome. That is crazy. Look at it. Alaska.
So the GoPro died, as I said earlier, and here we are. We took a break. We cut the rear frame off this truck because, like I said, it had the drop kit on it that I wanted. Took the rims, tires off of it. We robbed a few parts that I wanted, rear end sold. So we got a hell of a mess to clean up outside, but we're gonna leave it at that, guys. Tomorrow we'll come back. We will get rid of this truck tomorrow and do a bit of yard cleanup, and then we'll call it a day. So far so good. That's the third car gone, and it's kind of a sad sight to see, but it needed to go. Any final words there, Turbo?
Sucks, but we got a better truck.
The last one of the day. This is gonna be fucking hilarious. Poor truck. You never thought of that one. They actually got that pretty good. Nope, never mind. Spoke too soon. Tell them there's cats on that. That's 3 cars up and gone. Yard's a little cleaned up now. Unfortunately, we gotta clean the trailer because it's not ours, and we made a little bit of a mess. You can see the marks where the tires were. Was that from us?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you can see the marking of the tire right there. Oh yeah.
Burn marks.
Can you tell me you're just making the trailer look good?
Why is that coming?
We're gonna leave it at that, guys. We'll come back when we're at the house and putting away the rest of the stuff that's outside.